Okay, hello Kang, good evening. Can you hear
Good
me?
evening. Yes.
Okay, how are you tonight?
Bye.
Okay, so we are going to start our lesson. We're going to continue our lesson on Monday, last Monday, sorry. Okay, so let's some game words.
Rocket.
Okay. Okay, so let's have some game words. Okay. Okay, so what's this?
Rocket.
Okay, very good. Good job. Next. What's this?
City.
Skyscrapers. Next.
Skyscraper.
Okay, very good. Next, what's this? You can see this on a beach.
Underwater.
Shells. You can see,
Shell.
yeah, that is the shells. Next.
Stadiums.
Stadium.
Okay, very good. Stadiums. Next. Reorder.
Pyramid.
Okay, very good. Pyramids. Okay, so next. You can complete the these words.
OE.
Okay, so can you please read
OE.
OE? What's that?
Eagle.
Okay, eagle. So it's not OE, it's AE. Okay, next. What's this?
O.
It's pond. Again, what's this?
On.
Okay, good job. It's pond. Next.
Octopuses.
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 Okay, very good. Octopuses. Next. What's this?
Camel.
Okay, very good. Camel. Next. What's this?
Mountain.
Yeah, good job. Next. Can you complete these
E.
words?
E. E. T.
Okay.
E. T.
Okay, what's that?
Desert.
Very good. Next. Okay, so that's all for the game words. And let's talk about your exercise. So let's exercise. Okay. Can you draw the lines to match the things to the places? For example, the rockets. The rocket is on the spaces. How about the skyscrapers, nests, shells, spaceships?
Màn lại vứt đi á. Sách ra để làm tiếp chưa? Cặp treo ở góc này, lúc nào cũng vứt cặp lăn lóc ở trên giường như thế.
Okay. Mhm. 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 Okay, so let's check your answer. Okay, so the dessert is, your answer is pyramids. Okay, very good, Kang. You did a great job. Next is, oh, sorry. Not. Okay, so space is for the spaceships. Very good, Kang. Next, ocean is for the shells. And next is ocean is for octopuses. You did a great job again, Kang. And next is the skyscrapers is on the city. Very good. Next is the stadium is on the city too. Good job, Kang, again. Okay, and then mountain. I think you forgot the nest is on the mountain. And the trees is on the mountain too, not forests. Next is the streams
Mẹ bây giờ
is on the mountains. That is and stones for very good is on the mountain too. You did a great job, Kang. And the mountain is the eagles is on the mountain too. Very good. And the forest, the forest is on the nest. And forest is the eagle too. And the forest is stones. And the streams are the forest too. Okay, so and the fonts is in the forest. And the desert is on the camel. Very good. Okay, you did a great job, Kang. Okay, very good, Kang. You did a great job. You are listening well and answering it very well. Good job. Keep it up, Kang. Okay, so next, Kang, is you can number the sentences to find out what some people believe. Okay, for example, a large rock from another planet hit our world. Okay, so why did dinosaurs become extinct? A large rock from another planet hit our world. So number the sentences to find out what some people believe. Our teacher is teaching us some interesting information. Yes, she is about time when dinosaurs lived on our planet. So, okay, have to numbering it. How about number 3? What do you think is the number 3? For example, number 1, a large rock from another planet hit our world. And then the environment suddenly changed. The air was full of gray clouds. And then what happened next? What do you think? Is the other people believe? Okay, so let's check your answer. Your number 3 answer is the light from the sun could not get. Okay, very good. Good job to our planet. Wait, next. Okay, very good. The plants did not grow on the land anymore. And number 5. Yes, the dinosaur had nothing to eat. And number 6 is that's why dinosaur became extinct. Okay, you did a great job, Kang. of that activity. So let's go to our next topics. Lesson 2. Okay, so let's go to our next topic, lesson 2 now. Okay, so the content for our lesson for tonight is your warm-up first, the reading, your reading skills, your writing, and then the last is your quizzes. Okay, so let's start. For our warm-up is to watch the video.
What did you do? What did you do? What did you do yesterday? What did you do? What did you do? What did you do yesterday? I cooked my dinner, I washed my dishes, I combed my hair, I combed my hair, I cooked my dinner, I washed my dishes, I combed my hair, I combed my hair. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go last Sunday? Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go last Sunday? I went to coffee, I went to grandma, I went to airport, I went to airport, I went to coffee, I went to grandma, I went to airport, I went to airport. What did you wear? What did you wear? What did you wear yesterday? What did you wear? What did you wear? What did you wear yesterday? I wore my t-shirt, I wore my pants, I wore my socks, I wore my belt, I wore my shoes, I wore my shoes, I wore my shoes.
Rất đẹp.
So next is your reading skills. Okay. So draw the line to match the sentences. Okay, so number 1, for example, people first bought newspaper in London, as you can see on the picture. How about number 2? People enjoyed watching actors on the stage at London's first theater. So what do you think is the answer number 2? What's that? What is that, Kang? The people is enjoyed watching actors on the stage.
Um, Yo!
Okay, wait. Okay, wait. What did you do? What did you do yesterday? What did you do? What did you do? What did you do yesterday. Okay, so again. Okay, so what is your answer? People enjoyed watching actors on the stage at London's first theater. Okay, very good. Let's check your answer. Kang? Okay, very good. So number 2 is letter A because there are people who enjoy watching actors on the stage at London's first theater. Very good. Number 3. So London had its biggest fire ever. It was called the Great Fire of London. It was very frightening. So as you can see on the picture, very good again. Yeah. Next, number 4. There were walls all around the city to make it safe. It looked like a really large castle. Very good, letter F. Okay. So, good job. And number 5, people saw firefighters and fire engines on the streets of London for the first time. Okay, very good, Kang. And next, the last one is people flew from the first airport in the world. So it was in a port of South London called
Gì vậy?
Croydon. Okay, very good, Kang. You did a great job tonight. Okay, so next, Kang, you have to look in at activity 1. When did these things happen? Guess and write. You have to write number 1. What do you think, Kang? You can write numbering. Remember,
And-
a century is 100 years ago. Or sorry, 100 years.
I don't know.
You have to guess. For example, you can write numbering. You can guess where is the number 1, where is number 2. You can guess any answer. You don't have to be perfect on that. Okay, so let's see when you're okay. So number 1 is 18th century. So so in 15th century, sorry, what's that again? Okay, so in 18th century, the people first bought newspaper in London. So, okay, next answering. Okay, very good, Kang. You are guessing. Your guess is right. So, number 2, 16th century. So, in 16th century, Kang, is people enjoyed watching actors on the stage at London First Theater. So, next. Oh, sorry. Next, Kang, is... Okay, very good again, Kang. Your guess is right. So, number 3 is 7th century. So, in 7th century, the London had its biggest fire ever. Oh no, it was called the Great Fire of London. It was very frightening. So that is okay. So next is number 4 is your number 1, Kang, is 15th century. So on 15th century, there were walls all around the city to make it safe. It looked like a really, really large castle. So in that 15th century. And next is, let's see if your answer on number 5 and 6 is correct. Okay, very good again, Kang. So your guess is right. So on 19th century, the people saw firefighters and fire engines on the streets of London. Oh, they have a firefighters and fire engines on 19th century. That was 1990. Kang. Okay, so in 20th century, so that is 20s, like 2000, 2001. So people flew from the first airport in the world. It was in part of South London. Oh, the very first time that we have a airport, Kang, is on the London. So that is on 2000. Okay, so you did a great job again, Kang, for your number 2 TBT. So next is your grammar for the simple past. So was and where. Okay, so in positive, Kang, you can use, again, Kang, you have to remember this. You can use I, he, she, and it in was. Affirmative. That is affirmative. That is positive sentence. And then you can use we, you, and they, the where to be. That is a past sentence of was is positive sentence, but you can use was when your subject is I, he, she, and it. And then for the where, you can use where when your subject is singular, like we, you, and they. And then in negative, you can put not, wasn't. Again, so you can use wasn't when your subject is singular, like I, he, she, and it. And then also we, you, and they, or were not. That is a plural. Okay. Next is the questions. They were happy. Okay. Because the subject is they, so that's why you can use where. For the question, were they happy? So you have to change it into, you have to put where in your sentences when you make a question sentences. Okay, and then she was rich. For the was is you can use was when the subject is she, he, and it. Okay, and when you have a question sentences, so you have to put on the first sentence was she rich, and then you have to put question mark. Okay, your answer is yes, they were. So if the question is where, the first word is where, you have to say or you have to answer yes, they were. If the first sentence is was, so you have to say or you have to answer is yes, she was. So that is the use of was and where, Kang. Okay, for the WH word like where, why, when, you can use was. For the subject, okay, where was he sick? Where was he sick? Or why were we tired? Why when we're ready? Or why was he tired? Why was he tired? Or why was she tired? Okay, you can use that. Why was he angry? Where were you yesterday? Because you is singular, so it's plural, so that's why where. You can put where. So for was again. Okay, so we have a grammar quiz. Look at the sentence. Choose the correct answer. Okay, yesterday I blanked hungry. I ate 2 hamburgers. So
Was.
what do you think is yes? What is your answer? Letter?
B. B.
Okay, very good. Good job, Kang. Next, Carl and Caroline blanked on the train last Friday.
Like.
Okay, very good. Good job. Next.
B.
Okay, where was your computer last night? It was in my room. Very good, Kang. Next.
B. B.
We were not sad to see you yesterday. Yes, very good. Good job. Next.
I.
The lesson was boring last week. It is interesting now. Very good. Next.
I.
Oh, no. It's where there were a lot of cowboys in America in the past. Next.
War. Ay.
Very good. Good job. Wear the exam board? Yes, they wear. Next.
Ay.
Okay, very good. Good job. Next. What is your answer, Kang?
B.
Okay, very good. Good job. So great job, Kang. You did a great job. You got a perfect score for this one. Okay, very good, Kang. You did a great job tonight. Next, you can write the missing words. Now we are learning about the 90th century. So that is for 1990s. We are finding out what it was like to live in England 200 years ago. So, oh no. Kang, so you have to choose here, Kang, the correct answer for this number 1 to 6. For example, many English children had a very hard life in the 90th century. So some people were rich and what?
Live. Live.
Okay, wait. Okay, very good. Number 3, live in the large houses, but many families were very poor. They
Didn't have.
didn't have enough. Very good. Good job also, Kang. They didn't have enough money to buy food. So the children were often hungry. So many children is what, Kang?
Okay mo.
Many children belong to school.
Ish. Many children didn't go.
Okay, very good. Did not go to school. Instead, they are what? Kang?
They worked.
Okay, they worked. It's work, not worked. Work in dirty factories for very little money. So managers were often unkind to them. So number 6, life.
Improved.
Okay, very good. Did not improve for them until the end of the century. Oh no, Kang. So in 19th century, the children have to work just like now. We didn't have to work, but we are going to school. So that's why you have to listen carefully to the teacher because not other children are go to school. So you are lucky that you are learning. Unlike to the other children's on 19th century, they are not go to school, but they are working in dirty factories. So that's why you are lucky that you are learning. So yeah, you have to listen carefully to the teacher. Okay, so number 2, Kang, make 6 sentences about George and Katie in the 90th century, Kang. So now we are dressing up in class. Yes, we are 90th century children. So what do you think is, can you please make 6 sentences, Kang, for this one? Can you make sentences?
They can't. They can't ride the ridden racing bike Z.
Okay. Okay.
They
So
can plow in plane Z.
they can ridden racing bikes yet. And your number 2? What is your number 2? Again? They what?
Yes.
They cannot. They can't flown in planes yet. Okay, so what is your number 3?
Cầm kiếm lên. Cầm chú cụ đã cấp. Cụ đã cấp.
So what is your number 3, Kang? You have to make 6 sentences. You have a 4 sentences yet. You don't.
Thanh kiếm được tạo ra từ thuật thức đoàn chúng lãnh
Okay,
địa
what is
của
your answer number 3? What is your sentences on number 3?
triển khai lãnh địa vô lượng không số là cái gì? Thì nó bị đánh bay.
Okay, what else? Can you give me another sentences again, Kang? Can you make a sentences again?
I don't know. They can't
They can't.
take
Take.
X-ray machine yet.
Okay, X-ray machines. Yeah. Okay, so number 4.
I don't know.
Anything.
I don't know.
Anything sentences.
I don't know. Please.
You do not know what is invented?
Don't know. Tàu kéo kiếm chém xuống.
Okay, they can't keep their food cold in a fridge. So keep is, you have to put in the cold in a fridge yet. So that is a keep. Next is, they can't go to other planets in a rocket yet. But today, we can go to the other planet because we have a rocket now. Next is, they can't take photographs yet. So take is, take a picture. Take a shot. So that is a take meaning. Next is, they have not ridden racing bikes yet. So your sentences earlier is correct, Kang. Next is, they have not flown. Not can't, Kang. They have not flown in planes yet. And next is, they have not invented X-ray machines yet. So they invented is, meaning is they are working or not. They can't take X-ray. That's that. Okay. So your answer, your answer sentences is correct. Okay, so the grammar of simple past tense.
Thanh kiếm truyền thuyết.
Simple past tense, positive subject plus verb plus, and negative subject did not plus verb, and did subject. He met his wife 6 years ago. They watched a movie yesterday. You went to the bed early. She did not study in the library. They had dinner last night. The police did not find any clues. I became a teacher 2 years ago. Who's talking with you? Is that your brother again? Okay. I continue now. Okay. Next
Ako
is
mag-uwak.
they had dinner last night. The police. The police did not find any clues. I became a teacher 2 years ago. He bought a new car last week. We studied very hard last night. I graduated from the university last year. So these are the past simple tense. Last year, last night, last week, 2 years ago, last night, yesterday, 6 years ago. So these are the simple past tense. So these are the former present perfect. I have finished my homework. She has not been to London. Has she ever ridden the horse? So often, yet, still, already, just, since, for, never, ever. Affirmative. Subject plus have or has plus verb in past participle. Okay, so still versus yet. He still has not finished the report. It has taken a long time and I continue to have to wait for it. He has not finished the report yet. It has not been done. Do I expect it to happen soon? So still is present perfect. And just, he has just finished the report. He has already. Has he ever finished the report? Never. Going next. Okay, so let's grammar quiz, Kang. So what is your answer number 1? What is the past tense of buy?
Ay.
Very good. I bought a present yesterday. Very good. Next. What is the past tense of not go?
Didn't go. Ay.
Okay. Very good. Good job. Next. David, what is the past sentence of work?
Si.
Letter?
Si.
C. Incorrect. Wrong. Kang, wrong.
Ay.
Okay, very good. David has worked as a policeman since 2010. Good job. Next. What is the past tense of stay?
Si.
Okay, very good. Good job. That's right. Okay, next. I blank already blank my homework.
B. B.
I was already done my wrong.
Ay.
Yes. The correct answer, Kang, is I have already done my homework. Okay.
Si.
Okay. Correct? Incorrect. My friends?
Si.
Incorrect. Wrong.
Si.
Okay, my friends had a great time in Nha Trang last year. Okay, so you did a great job tonight, Kang, and thank you for tonight. Goodbye.
Good night.